Hey guys, Jordan here at Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to get the best transportation leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So step one, targeting. We're going to go into small businesses, and today we're looking at Jacksonville, Florida. I'm going to probably increase the radius by 5 here, and I'm going to add that. I'm going to lock it in by clicking next, and we are looking for transportation. With Coldlytics 2.0, you get this sanity check. We'll just show you a couple of businesses to make sure this is what you want for your lead sheet. If this isn't what you want, you can click on the domains. You can go back and change the search term around, but we're going to leave this for now. I'm going to add transportation, and I'm going to hit next. And for key decision makers, we're going to do owners and founders, and we're going to do directors and executives. Just in case that an owner is a C-suite title, this will cover for this case. So next to lock it in. We're done with the targeting. And for filters today, I'm actually only going to apply one filter, and I'm just going to do a Google review. So I'm going to do between a 3 and a 5. As if you're looking to work with transportation companies, I just feel like quality of service is kind of the biggest metrics that you should be filtering by. And what better than quality of services than what better representation of quality of services than a review score? So 3 to 5, I'm going to hit next to lock that in. And then we're just going to go on to deliver. I'm going to reset the data points here. And I'm just going to select all of them. I feel like there's a specific person looking for transportation leads. And since it's such like you could be a marketing agency trying to sell somebody with a transportation company. You could also be trying to sell. You could be a marketing company trying to sell services to a transportation company, or you could be somebody trying to sell a product to a transportation company. Maybe you're a fuel company or something. I just feel like the use cases for transportation leads are so vague that honestly all these metrics are very useful when deciding in what way are you going to reach out and for what reason to these transportation companies. So just select all of them. I'm going to hit next to lock that in. We don't need any additional notes. Make sure to name your task, as well as before you launch it, save a draft just in case if something happens, you want to change something, you don't have to start from zero. And with that being said, I'm going to launch this. And as you can see, transportation in Jacksonville, it's allocating back in our task overview. And once it's allocating, it just means that you'll get your leads in 24 hours-ish from when you launch a task. So yeah, thank you so much, guys. And this is how you find the best transportation leads with Coldlytics. I hope you have a great day.